Number 5. The electromagnetic railgun. Created by scientists in 2010, the electromagnetic railgun is the most powerful gun on the planet that uses no explosives. Using electromagnetic fields, they accelerate an aluminum shell to a speed of 8 times the speed of sound. It will be able to fire at a range of 320 kilometers compared to just 20 kilometers of contemporary artillery. Since they produce a lot of heat during operations, current prototypes can only last for a few shots. The US has given $34.5 million to BAE Systems in order to develop a more durable version of the weapon. Number 4. The Active Denial System. The Active Denial System is a combination of radar array and microwave. The ADS shoots a stream of electromagnetic waves, shorter than microwaves, which are instantly absorbed by the top layer of skin, resulting in the sensation of being on fire. In just 2 seconds, it heats the skin to 130 degrees Fahrenheit or 54 degrees Celsius. The pain is so intense, and the reaction to run away so overpowering, it has been nicknamed the goodbye weapon. It was deployed to Afghanistan in 2010, only to be inexplicably recalled months later. The military claims there are no lingering effects from exposure. Number 3. Modular Advanced Armed Robotic System, or MARS. The MARS robot is a modified remote control bomb disposal robot. It can be configured for either non-lethal or lethal effects. Its battery can last 3 to 12 hours, can move at 7 miles or 11 kilometers per hour, and travel 800 to 1,000 meters from its controller. MARS is armed with an M240B machine gun and 4 M203 grenade launcher tubes on a 360-degree rotating turret. Grenade styles can include sponge, buckshot, and tear gas for less lethal purposes, explosive and airburst for lethal purposes. Other features can include an onboard loudspeaker for communication, a siren, a laser dazzler weapon, and a gunfire detection system. To date, no shots have ever been fired in combat by a remote device like the MARS robot. Number 2. Quantum Stealth Technology. The US military is backing the development of camouflage fabrics that they claim could one day make soldiers completely invisible. The so-called quantum stealth camouflage material is said to render its wearers invisible by bending light waves around them. Its developers claim the material can even fool night vision goggles. Think of it as similar to the invisibility cloak worn by Harry Potter. It is lightweight and quite inexpensive. Both the US and Canadian militaries have confirmed that it also works against infrared scopes and thermal optics. However, its Canadian developers state that the technology is still too secret to show it in action. Number 1. The EMP bomb. An electromagnetic pulse bomb is a weapon destined to destroy the electronic infrastructure of a particular targeted area. Considering the fact that electricity powers almost every single device currently used around the world, it's not hard to imagine the kind of panic the detonation of a huge EMP bomb would trigger. Usually, electricity-powered devices use just the correct amount of power to function correctly. Any more than that, and the components would suffer damage beyond repair. This is exactly the weakness EMP bombs seek to exploit. The detonation of an electromagnetic pulse bomb involves the creation of a massive electromagnetic field, corrupting every